Hello friends, have a wonderful and sweet day. In this video you will see wall hanging macrame planters. Please watch my full video till end. I really hope that you will like it. Wall hanging macrame planters are a stylish and natural way to display your plants, adding a boho chic vibe to any room or outdoor space. They are made by knotting cords or ropes into decorative patterns that hold the pots securely. A simply DIY plan with step-by-step instruction to your make own macrame planter. Ideas on different styles or patterns, tips on what materials to use and which plants work best. Wall hanging macrame planters are handcrafted decorative holders made by knotting cotton or jute cords into it. These planters are designed to suspend pots off the ground, creating a floating garden effect that adds texture and visual interest to walls or ceilings. The natural fibers and details knots gives a bohemian rustic charm, making them perfect for indoor or outdoor spaces. They not only save space but also showcase plants beautifully, allowing greenery to become a part of your home decor in a unique artistic way. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. Wall hanging macrame planters are elegant and functional pieces of art created through the craft of macrame, a technique that involves tying knots in patterns to form decorative textiles, typically made from sturdy natural fibers like cotton, hemp, or jute. These planters cradle a plant pot within a woven network of cords, allowing it to hang freely from a hook or nail. Their design often features a combination of knots such as square knots, spiral knots, and lark's head knots, which together create geometric shapes, big rings, and intricate textures. The beauty of macrame planters lies in their ability to blend nature with handmade artistry, transforming simple pots into eye-catching hanging gardens. I really hope that you really enjoyed my video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you guys. Bye bye.